Introducing my new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Wait, that's silver. A second, the ad said black. What the? Look, I know some of this was actually my fault and not having attention to detail. As you'll see, the title says GoPro Hero 7 Black. And then in the item description it says color gray. Now I know in the past with the Hero 5 or Hero 6, I think it was, the color was never actually black of the case, it was kind of gray. So that's what I figured in this case is, you know, it's older, it's a little weathered, maybe the color is gray, not actually a black color. I've never had my hands on any GoPros ever, so I don't really know. I trusted it. I only went from the title. I actually looked for a Canadian seller, and this guy was from Sudbury. So I thought, good old Canadian guy from the True North, strong and free. So I thought, no problem, you know, this is a Canadian seller. I'm gonna have no issues with this. I was kind of wrong. It took a little while to ship. Now, most of the time when I'm purchasing something from eBay, it says it'll say it's shipped within, and it's usually within about 24 hours. This took a few days, so I thought, oh, that's a little weird. He hasn't shipped it yet. When it finally came, again, a little bit later than I expected, I was expecting a box, right? I knew he didn't have the packaging for that Hero 7 silver, but this is what it came in, was just this bubble wrap kind of thing. And he wrapped the GoPro in bubble wrap, which is not really a great way to ship something, especially if you don't want it to break. Putting it in a box would have been a heck of a lot better than this stuff. So I did a bit of research on this just to see, like, maybe I'm just being too picky, you know? Maybe this will do. There's a vast difference between the silver and the black. It's not bad, it's just not great. You know what? I know it says returns not accepted, but you sent me the wrong thing. Well, I did the request to return it. After a few days, surprisingly, the shipper did accept the return. Oh, fantastic, this is great. But then after that happened, no response, nothing. They said they sent me an email to say I was going to get a shipping label and then I'd get a refund. Nothing, none of that. So I stepped in and I said, hey, eBay, nothing's happening. By October 30th, if nothing has happened, we'll step in and resolve this for you. He said, in 48 hours, they will resolve it. Whether it be in my favor or his favor, nobody got back to me. So the only thing I could do was go to the help and support center on eBay. We went back and forth a few times and they finally said, okay, you know what, we'll message the seller and that sort of thing, and we'll get this thing moving along. But we got to give this guy another 5 days to have some action. I'm like, another 5 days for action? But they said, after that 5 days, if he doesn't get back to me, send the shipping label or the refund, then this product is mine. So I will get a refund and I will get this thing to keep. I don't have to return it. That's fantastic. I did message him actually as well and just say, look, I really want to return this. There's no reason to go through this. I'll return it. You know, I get my money back, you get the product back, you can resell it. And I didn't use any profanity. I kept it very professional, very clean, very Canadian. So 5 days comes up and they let me know, boom, got this thing for free. Check my bank account, it's back in there. So I would always recommend that pay through PayPal if you can, through when you're doing eBay, because they also have a buyer protection kind of program there as well. Got my money, got this new camera that I don't want. So actually what I could do is use it as a secondary camera, but I don't think for the type of filming that I do, I don't really need it. So I'm going to just simply sell it and get hopefully around the same amount that I paid for it, but it doesn't matter. I don't care what I get for it. It's maybe around $200 worth. It's free money in my pocket. Thank you, eBay. The resolution center on eBay definitely worked for me. It took a while and there's a lot of hoops and a lot of chances for that seller to do the right thing, but in the end, if they don't do the right thing, then you get that product for free. Now, end of story? Nope. In the camera, what he did was he had this 64 gigabyte micro SD card in there, and it wasn't in the ad, so I guess I got this thing for free as well. But on that SD card, I noticed that there's a little footage of this guy doing a video as well, which was fantastic. Now, I'm not going to be a big jerk about it. I'm not going to post his name. As you see, I haven't showed his name yet. I'm not going to show his face, but I will show you a clip of his video. It kind of feels good to know who this guy is. I don't know why. I don't know, it's nice to know the face of your enemy. Well, he's not really my enemy, he's the face of your scammer. face of your scammer. Hello, I am the dumbass. If you're getting this camera, ha, I got you. You're so gullible and naive, you maple syrup loving fool. You go eat a beaver tail in your plaid shirt, eh? Thanks a lot, buddy. If you'd just let me return his camera back to him, I would have sent the SD card back to him as well. He would have had his footage if he needed it. But no. If we ever cross paths, I hope we can share a box of Timbits and get a double-double afterwards. Go for a game of shinny. Hey? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Ladybug adventure. I'm thinking, like, in my head, like, maybe this guy's sick. Maybe he's unable to message back because he's unwell, or, something's going on in his life. So I'm not going to hold it against him. I'm not going to be a big jerk about it. You just never know. It's a weird thing. Maybe it is a Canadian thing where I'm going to go, I hope he's okay. I hope nothing's wrong with him. Yeah, he probably just scammed me.